We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna just mark it like 1, and then 2, and then 3. Okay. And now we're gonna draw. It looks like we are going to draw. How am I saying it? Oh, this one you can using illuminate gel art too if you want to. And I want to start with this shape first. I don't know what you call this one. This looks like little eyes. And then we're gonna do that. Repeat the same with the other two. Give it a good shake. And then we're gonna draw angle. Okay. And don't worry, you will not messing up. Just draw it like that. And then, oh my gosh. Did you open it? Mm-hmm. Hey TikTok, hi Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch. Thanks so much for tuning in. All right. I'm using pink right now. So now you kind of get an outline of these 3. I know how you call this. This looks like a little shape of the knives. And now I'm going to draw her up a leaf. And then you're going to fill it in. So on the upper lip, you just like give it a little bit of curves and then put it down. Okay. And pick up more gel painting and then fill in on the lower lip. Can you stop it? Okay. Trust me, you will never go wrong with this. It's gonna be so much fun when you're doing this one. I'm gonna add this one on. And I love it. You can go back and forth with the gel painting, with glitz gel painting. You do not have to worry about the arts like bleeding on each other's. I mean, the gel painting, you stay right there until you are going to cure it. Okay, so moving on the next one, same thing. I'm gonna create is like upper lip, give a little bit of a curve. Thousand different way. Feels like a leaf. What you're drawing like that.
Not exactly, but hey, if it worked, it worked.
Are you gonna draw it like this?
I do a little bit differently.
I want to see how you do it.
I'll show you one of these days.
All right. Oh, I trust it. Oh, I see it. I will believe it when I see it. He'll never show me how to draw the lip cell because he's drawing for RC is different than us, I guess. Or maybe it could be Same thing. But hey, I'm the one is a proof for you guys that you don't have to be an artist. We are like all, so we are a nail artist, but it's artists have a different, everybody different feel. Like the same thing with artists. It was more like in a different specialty, right? However you want to say it. Oh my gosh, a little bit overfilling, but it looks so cute. All right, so I'm gonna continue. You can draw it however you want, and then moving on to the next one. This one is smaller, so I'm gonna draw just a smaller. Just make it a little curve. Okay, so I'm gonna get some heart. When you draw the heart, it's really easy. So many different way, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to do one of the way if you have the gel painting. Or if you have the brush with the gel painting in the pot, you can just do a V. And then pick up a little bit more gel painting and just draw it, just route it up. And make your heart. Okay. Or if you have a dot 2, you can pick up the dot 2 and making your heart. Here if you have a dot 2, for instance, if you have it in the pot, so I'm gonna drop it one here, and then pick up 1, 2, and 3. It's make it like a triangle and pyramid, and then now you connect them. Okay, however you want. Same thing with this. 1, 2. This is the techniques that I'm using back. I'm back in so many years, like back in 20. What is that? I'm back in 2000. Like back then when we don't have a gel polish, like really very like a gel polish introduced out and brand new, and we're using these techniques for just a regular nail polish back in 2000. And then that's how I created so many hearts during a Valentine's, and is already able to make extra of income for the nail art back then. And it before it came out tons, you know, ton of the idea. All right, so if you don't have a brush, these two are gonna make you your heart. All right, so now don't want anything else, you can key it and top coat. But if you want your sugaring, you can sprinkle. Hey, should we do sugaring?
Sprinkle. Yes.
Because we have this one is crystal clear. I did crystal clear, so it means your clients don't want anything else. You just want plain matte. You sprinkle crystal clear powders on, and it's lock your painting right there. So let's play with this and see what's up with that one. Lighter pink or darker pink?
Do the darker pink or even red. So you're gonna have like that red sparkle?
Are you sure? Maybe
Might be
not.
fun.
I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this to matching with this. All right, so hot pink. If you don't want to get the whole entire the kits, I mean the set of 6, you can always get single whatever colors you prefer. But I'm going to sprinkle this one for you to see how it turned out. You can do a lighter blush, or you can do the hot pink. All right, ready? Just sprinkle it in. Oh, I actually like it. Okay, let me dust it off, and then sprinkle a little bit more. Like, tap, do not touch anything, don't dust anything off. And then if you feel like you want to make sure the apple secure, you can sprinkle like one more times. Tap, and then we'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. This one good?
Mm-hmm.
And you dust this off. Here you have it. See, I'm a proof for you that if you're not gonna be a master of painting, don't feel like embarrassed. I'll never. I'm just drawing it. Just having fun, and you know, just enjoy and be fun with this. And as I say, because of the gel painting is so solid and it's so, the consistency is so easy for me to polish, to painting and drawing, even though it's like my hand is really shaky. But that's how it turned. And then you don't have to do anything else. You are good to go. The cleanse after cure 60 seconds is good to go. And I have a DM of people asking why my sugaring is coming off. Make sure you are using a gel painting instead of just gel polish, because just gel polish is only can hold it so much because the consistency and it thinner, and so that's why it's only can hold probably a surface of really a little amount of your sugaring or is crystal clear powder, and then it will last for a few days and it's gone with the wind. However, with the gel painting, give it thicker consistency, so when you are drawing it, it's not like runny. You can see that it's really defined. Even though I sprinkle it on, it's really defined when you sprinkle it on. The glitter or the crystal clear is still staying on really nice.